Halor kamat badang sa teng ban penkria ikibrio na them Ïewmawlong ukon rat kes sangma menteri rangba kajala Meghalaya uloong. Pag Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadai ban yo jing Ïaroh namar dei makahi kabanut ban Ktah yakate kamat hakisan post Snem mentah. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor hakanok pai sigi joka khat artari ulber arja arpsau hadien balawai ka jing lang kunhun menteri ka Sorkar MDA tu menteri uloong bakam dei ka basok ban weng mardor yaki namar babon ki kendon bat ka Sorkar kan hab ban pej banya ban yo ya kalat kalenti.
Well, 50 years this has been there, and you will appreciate, and the state and the people will appreciate that for the first time actually there's been a serious move by any government to relocate them. When we are trying to address a complex situation like this, there are complexities that we come up with. So therefore, obviously we would want things to happen in the next 24 hours. But there is a reason why it did not happen the last 50 years because of the different complications that were there. And you must appreciate the kind of efforts and the work that is going on to resolve this in the most amicable manner. There are many, many factors that affect this. It's very easy for anybody to say, okay, solve it today, solve it tomorrow, solve it the after. But you need to look back at the history and realize that this is a very complicated problem and situation with many, many different angles to it, many, many legal issues around it. And we have to work around all these issues, take into account all the sentiments and everything, and come up with a solution that is going to be the most appropriate and most acceptable and most amicable in nature. And hence, it does require time. So therefore, in spite of all the efforts that we put in, we need to realize that these kind of situations will require time to resolve. We are almost at the point where we are close to resolution, and the citizens must appreciate that, and I'm sure most appreciate it. But let me assure the citizens also that we are on this, and we will find, we are very close to finding a solution, and we will be finally able to take the last bit of actions that are left to be taken and resolve this at the earliest.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam Ktah ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.